They're hard to miss. A group of grannies in bright colors riding to raise funds for their sister grannies in Africa, struggling with the AIDS crisis.
The grandmothers were just devastated by grief at losing their children and faced with having to bring up their grandchildren. But over the years, by coming together, they have really progressed. They've gone from being many of them rather retiring, to becoming leaders in their community and to standing up and advocating for their rights.
With annual bike rides and other fundraisers, Victoria Grandmothers for Africa have pedaled $2.25 million toward the Stephen Lewis Foundation since 2007. And Grandmothers for Grandmothers groups across the world have raised over $40 million, all toward grandmother-led programs that help support the health and well-being of those families and children impacted by HIV and AIDS.
Our goal is to protect the progress that's being made little by little.
This year, they say fundraising is more important than ever due to the Trump administration's USAID cuts. A new report from the Stephen Lewis Foundation says that the funding freeze has caused intentional chaos.
And some of the modeling that's come out of UNAIDS has suggested that if that money doesn't come back, if it permanently disappears, we could be looking at an additional 6 million HIV infections and an additional 14 million AIDS-related deaths by 2029.
We're more than anxious. We're extremely worried. And this year, the cycle tour, Victoria Cycle Tour, is pulling out all the stops.
So far, the group, whose average age is 71, has been riding around southern Vancouver Island and the Gulf Islands. Riders have pledged to pedal between 400 and 800 kilometers from August 10th to September 7th, when their finale will be held at Mile Zero at 3 p.m.
It's really incredible to see the resilience and the motivation and the perseverance of people to be able to withstand this kind of situation and come out still committed to doing the work.
Commitment from so many, with the goal of using every push of the pedal to raise $200,000.